What is the ratio of the thickness of thermal boundary layer to the thickness of hydrodynamic boundary layer? The thermal boundary layer thickness is the distance across a boundary layer from the wall to a point where the flow temperature has essentially reached the free stream temperature. This distance is defined normal to the wall in the direction. The boundary area up to which the local flow velocity has reached 99% of the velocity of the free stream is what a velocity boundary layer or a hydrodynamic boundary layer. The answer to this question lies in this particular formula. This is the ratio of the thickness of TBL, that is the thermal boundary layer, to the thickness of hydrodynamic boundary layer or HBL. What happens if centrifugal pump is operated at excessive speeds? When a pump is operated at excessive speeds, the differential pressure developed increases and causes a powerful pulsating vacuum on the underside of the blade tips, and each particle of water is pulled away from the blade, taking away with it a small particle of metal, producing a grooved effect. Repeated erosive action results in complete honeycombing and total destruction of blade, which eventually results in loss in the performance of the pump. What is the function of a butterfly valve? A butterfly valve is a quarter-turn rotational motion valve that is used to stop, regulate, and start flow. Butterfly valves are easy and fast to open. A 90-degree rotation of the handle provides a complete closure or opening of the valve. The answer to this question would be: in a butterfly valve, there is a disc which is hinged to the body. When an operator moves the butterfly valve, this disc also rotates and creates a blocked passage for the fluid to flow. When the disc is parallel to the flow, the liquid passes, and when the disc is completely perpendicular, the flow of the fluid will completely stop.